Music Theater, baby. We love this place like it was our home. And I'll tell you something. I love everybody here tonight. We thank y'all for being here. But I gotta tell you, I'm dedicating this concert to those people up there on the grass with the umbrellas and the raincoats on, baby. You guys are true rock and rollers. Woo! So, all right, I got a question for you all. Is it just me, or do you all notice the world getting crazier and crazier every day? Right? I mean, check it out. I turned 70 years old this past year. And I figured by this point in my life, I would have a pretty good idea of what's going on around me. I'll tell you what, I don't know shit. But I'll tell you what I do know. I know a few things. First of all, the past is gone. You can't change it. All you can do is learn from your mistakes and move forward, all right? The future, you cannot control. You don't know what's around the next corner, so don't worry about it. Just do the best you can and it'll come, all right? As for the present, my theory is this. Wake up every morning, put one foot in front of the other, and always live every moment.